This is diving here with Happy Maddy on March 1st. We just did a cleaning. The keel is sitting about 6 inches to a foot in the mud. There are barnacles growing on the bottom of it. I was able to dig my hand under there and feel it, but not able to get to it. Propeller sitting maybe 6 inches out of the mud, absolutely covered in barnacles. I removed no less than 150 barnacles off of the hull of the boat. The bottom paint could definitely use refreshment soon. I'll take you under and show you what it looks like. This barnacle glue as much as I could without destroying the bottom paint anymore. You can see all the layers.